It's great to hear about how you've been developing professionally and how MongoDB has kind of tied into that. I know that we have Bloom for Interns, which is modeled after our full-time group called Bloom, which prioritizes wellness and community.
Our Bloom program actually has a lot of benefits, one of them being Headspace, which is an app for meditation. So for me, I really value meditation and inner peace and finding harmony in what I do. And I do meditate on a daily basis before coming to the internship program. And I find Headspace a really, really good app for meditating in general.
I believe the early talent team really encourages us to take advantage of the Bloom program, so much so that I believe they've gamified the process. And it's such a fun experience because of this, we're always taking advantage of it, going to different programs. We have discounts off of certain maybe yoga or solid core or gym classes. But one thing that I think it has taught me in terms of personal development is to allow yourself to relax and have fun sometimes, because you come back from these experiences really rejuvenated and motivated to do some good work.
MongoDB does a uniquely good job of prioritizing work-life balance, and the culture among the employees is representative of that. And an example would be my team. We have something that we call Intel Walks, which is ask around our couple of desk rows, anyone want to go for a walk? And so sometimes it'll be up to like 10, 15 people, and we call them Intel Walks. And I feel like that's been a good way to break up my afternoon sometimes. So it's clear that not only the early talent team and the interns, but wellness is something that's prioritized across all layers of the company, which I really love.
Is there anything from Bloom for Interns that you've kind of learned that's new that you might take with you to your next experiences or to school or anything like that?
I'm about to go to my 4th year of undergrad. In the first 3 years, I was very keep doing stuff and not thinking too much about how I am being, I guess. But having the opportunity to explore Bloom has really reminded me of the importance of being well and how your well-being affects the work that you do. So as I go back into my 4th and final year of undergrad, I'm really excited to incorporate intentionally more moments of my well-being.
There's a metaphor that I always tell myself. It's never a waste of time to sharpen your axe before you cut the tree. I feel the same way about the way that I work. Even if sometimes I feel like I have to get something done immediately and I'm on a time crunch, I remind myself that if I'm not feeling my best, it's very important to take the rest so I can become more efficient in my work. And I can actually end up spending less time on my work and finish all the things in a more optimal way.
We all probably share this, that we're just very in grind mode at school. And the older I get, the more I'm realizing that, yeah, like a dull axe can't chop a tree.